beautiful out today. I needed this. When pain keeps you home way too much. Lord, help me to remember to come outside. Go jet ski. It's your birthday. Not really. Party anyway. Ooh, ooh, two jet skis. Oh. Dang, everybody Wang Chung tonight. Bro, they all going around. You go, dudes. You go. All the duties. The duties. Oh, okay, I'll stop being a creep at the beach. It's already closed for the season, but it doesn't look it, does it? Woo woo. Go jet ski your nation. Hang on, let me see. Can I see? Despite my pain, this is fun to watch. Thank you, Jesus, for other people still being able to do stuff for me to see like this. I miss jet skiing right now so bad. It's okay. Qué linda estás todo. Goodbye.